Hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make un pollito guisado. Pollo guisado goes great with rice, mashed potatoes, or even with tacos. The ingredients needed for this recipe are as follows: a cardero, chicken breast washed with cold water and vinegar, tomato sauce, oil, beer, soy sauce, white wine, a combination of salt and pepper, parsley flakes, oregano, paprika, and garlic powder, a red onion, red and green pepper, brown sugar, garlic, lime zest, and cilantro. Now it's time to chop up your peppers. You can dice them if you like, or you can leave them in long pieces. Dice also your onions and your garlic teeth. You can either dice your garlic teeth into small thin pieces, or you can mash them with your pilon. Just make sure that they're small pieces because you don't want anybody to bite in a big chunk of garlic. That's not very tasty. Then you want to also chop up your cilantro, and listo to start cooking. Pour some oil into the caldero and place the stove on medium-high heat. While your oil is heating, season your chicken with some olive oil and the combination of spices. For best results, marinate your chicken overnight or at least a couple of hours before you're about to cook it. Now that our oil is hot, place the brown sugar in the pot. The brown sugar gives your chicken a beautiful brown coat, and it also complements the combination of spices. Place the chicken breast into the pot. We will cut them into smaller pieces later. Then add your peppers and onions into the seasoning left over from the chicken. Once your chicken has been cooking for about 2 minutes, add your white wine. Once your white wine has reduced a little, then go ahead and add your garlic teeth. Now we are ready to add in our lime zest. Just scrape the lemons about 3 times. That should be just the perfect hint of lemon for your chicken. Now that our chicken has some color and it's been cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes, add in your peppers and onion, remaining spices, beer, and lastly, cilantro. Este pollito va a estar para lamberse los dedos. Lastly, about 10 minutes later, add in your tomato and soy sauce. Then reduce your heat to low and let simmer for about 10 minutes. If you like more leftover sauce, use 1 can instead of a half a can of tomato sauce and add a 1/4 teaspoon more of soy sauce. Y recuerden, una barriga alta es un corazón contento. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button and watch my next video where I'm going to show you guys how to make un molo de guandule.